Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the auto lock feature on your Garmin Fenix 7 watch. Now I'm using the 7X Solar Sapphire. It doesn't matter which version of the Fenix 7 you've got, this video should work the same for everybody. So the auto lock feature is basically a feature that allows the watch to automatically lock the buttons and the touchscreen so that you don't accidentally hit them and keep turning the watch on or moving things on the watch, so on and so forth. I'm going to show you how to do this. Now I'm going to show you using the button functionality. I'm somebody who tends to use the buttons more than the touchscreen, but if you have the touchscreen on and you use touchscreen, just know it's the same thing. You're just using your touchscreen to do the navigation. We're going to start by pressing and holding the left hand middle button. And then we're going to simply press the up or down button. I'm going to press the up button. We're going to need to get to our settings and we're going to go to system. We're going to choose system by pressing the upper right button. And then again, we're going to use the up or down until we get to auto lock. By default, when you get the watch, the auto lock should be off. I'm going to press the upper right button to select it and look at the different options in here. So again, you can turn this feature off. You can have it always on. You can have it only turn on when you're in an activity, meaning you're doing an activity with the watch. It will always auto lock it while you're in the activity. Or you can do the opposite, which is general use, which means it will auto lock it anytime you're not in an activity. So just for purposes of the video, I'm going to go ahead and turn it to always so you can see what happens. And then I can simply press the back button again. If you're using touchscreen functionality, you can just swipe back. After a couple seconds, once your watch goes back into sleep mode, it's basically going to lock the keys and the touchscreen so that you have to manually unlock it. So you'll see if I try and do something on my watch now, because I've got auto lock on, I get this icon showing that it's locked. If I want to get into my watch, what I'm going to have to do is any one of the buttons, I'm going to press and hold them, and you'll see now that it unlocks the watch. So that's kind of how that feature works. I'm going to go back to the settings and I'm going to show you another way you can do this, and this is the way I actually prefer doing it. So I'm going to go back to system, go to auto lock, and I'm going to turn it off. The other way you can lock the watch is you can set it up in your controls menu. So I'm going to press and hold the upper left button to get to my controls menu. One of the options that you can add to your controls menu, I've done a video in the past that shows you how to add them if you don't know how to do this, is lock the device. So you can always just manually go in and lock your watch, and then you can unlock it at will. Now I like doing this for things like maybe I'm going to bed, maybe I'm going to be doing an activity where I know I'm prone to be hitting my watch. You can just manually go lock it and unlock it on your own. And I think that's a little bit easier of a way to do it versus just having the watch automatically do it. But anyway, that is a quick look at using the auto lock feature. I hope the video helps.